If you're watching this video, you probably just got a used phone and you have this. You can make phone calls and send texts, but you have no internet connection. There's an easy way to fix that. Let me show you how. Go to your device's settings, go to connections, and go to data usage, and make sure mobile data is turned on. In this case, the internet actually works, and I've just turned mobile data off to replicate the problem. If that doesn't work, go to mobile networks, access point names, and as you can see, I'm with TELUS and I have two access point names here, one of which is selected and working. If you don't have any here at all, you'll want to add one, and you'll have to enter all this information here manually to be able to get it to work. If you have one, chances are some of this information might be entered incorrectly. You might have spelling errors in there if you already entered it before or somebody else did before. So to get the APN settings, the correct ones that'll work for you, you want to know who your service provider is and search up the appropriate APN settings. And this will pretty much guarantee your internet working, because this is the only cause of mobile data not working on a phone. It's always the APN settings. If you have that entered correctly according to what your service provider requires, it will work. So let's go onto the laptop and search up the appropriate APN settings. So let's open Chrome on the laptop, and I've already searched for TELUS APN because that is my service provider. And you want to scroll past the first ones because that'll most likely always be ads. And there will be a lot of websites here that are not actually TELUS and they'll have TELUS APNs in them. I would not recommend going there because they're not actually TELUS. They might give you some fake APN settings that won't even work. You want to go to actual TELUS support because they will have the correct APN settings that'll work for you, or whatever service provider you have. Go to their actual website and find the APN settings on there because that'll be the most reliable. As you can see here, we have the APN settings and all the information that we need to enter. Everything that you need to enter is right here, and you have to enter it letter for letter exactly as it is spelled here. Of course, the stuff that is written here you don't have to enter. Some of those can just be left blank or left as default the way they are, but whatever is actually written here you have to enter letter for letter exactly the same, and make sure you make no mistakes, and then your mobile data will work. That is the only cause of mobile data not working on a phone, is either mobile data is turned off or the APN settings are incorrect, and that's causing it to not work. That is the fix to get your internet working. If you want to learn more, consider subscribing. There's a lot more tech tutorials coming up on this channel, and stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.